Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie G, and if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girls, how you doing? Today's video is sponsored by Unice. They sent me a lot of cute little goodies along with a wig, including a elastic band, a hairbrush, some wig caps, a makeup brush, a mirror, some lashes, a bonnet girl, a robe, child. The list goes on and on. They sent me a lot of really cute goodies, but the true tea is the wig. This beauty is a 20-inch V-part wig in the texture Kinky curly, so it's going to give you very much like really long natural hair vibes. The texture is perfect. It's curly all the way to the root, which I love, and I'm going to show you guys how I installed it today. As you can see, my hair is already braided down for wigs. I have the, traditional tiny braids put together in the back, and I'm going to show you guys how I install my V-part wigs with no leave out. I have my baby hairs done, but literally it's no like long leave out, just a couple baby hairs, and I kind of finesse it. Also, you can always throw a V-part on and a wig or a scarf on top and call it a day. I have been very guilty of that before, and I typically will wear a middle part, but today I wanted to try something a little bit more spicy, so I kind of twisted it over a bit to do a kind of deep side part moment, and I love how it came out. Of course, because the hair is made for a middle part, we're going to have to cut it a bit to get it, to lay right on the head. But overall, I think the side part gave me a really natural look that I love. And I wear my own natural hair mostly in the side part. So if it works, child. A win is a win. So I kind of split my hair in the middle and the back and pulled it to the front, and now I'm just kind of trimming the hair to make sure that it's even on both sides. And I'm using my razor comb to shape the hair and kind of give it like even at the bottom and cute layers on top to kind of create a rounder shape. A round shape for natural hair just fits my face better, so that's what we're going to go for today. Now, I've already done the layers around my face, and I'm making sure to take those same layers all the way around in the back. I have seen it, child, I have seen it where you kind of have only layers in the front and no layers in the back. To me personally, with curly hair, it has to be really intentional with the shape. So it's just not my personal fave, but if you like it, I love it. As you can see, I'm bringing the layers all the way around today, so it kind of gives that really round and full look all the way around. I didn't go too crazy. You can really go for like an afro circle shape, which is really possible with this wig, but I went for something really natural because I want a new throw-on wig that's not too long. With kinky curly hair, it can get crazy real fast, and I just wanted something that I can throw on and it's not like gonna take a lot of detangling and all that jazz. So I went ahead and wet the hair, and now we can go ahead and get into defining the curls on the hair. I personally like to work in sections just so I can get the product all the way through and I get the best curls this way, but do you, boo-boo? I'm using the Urban Hydration Breath of Fresh Hairline styling spray. It just helps to keep the hair really moist, and I'm following that up with the Cantu Shea Butter styling cream, I believe. It's really, really good. I'll put a link down below if I can find it on Amazon. I didn't want to use mousse because I don't want the hair to be hard, and these products dry really softly, and I want the curls to still have a little bounce to them. I need y'all help figuring out what to name her, because this is definitely going to be one of my new staple wigs. So after I distributed all the product and brushed it through, this is what the hair looks like wet. I'm going to go ahead and sit under my old faithful hooded dryer. I think I stole it from my mom, but yes. And I'm going in and teasing the roots as normal once it's dry, and that's just going to help to blend in that part. You guys have seen me do that a million times, so I didn't go into too much detail, but this is the finished look. I love how it came out. The curls are gorgeous. stunning. If you wanted to have leave out, you could, but baby, I am lazy. And of course I had to show you guys the back. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye babes.